Now let's begin sketching this one, and I'm going to use the Faber-Castell waterproof marker to outline the outer rectangle. And now I'm going to use my Uniball pen of 0.5 mm. It's a fine liner, or you can use any kind of black gel pen for the same. And I'm going to give sketchy lines in this, lines which are not very neat and plain. These lines look a little bit, add a little bit of more movement to the sketch. As you can see, those are a little shabby sort of lines. So that's the kind of look you want to achieve. And now I begin with the shading of the darker areas with the pen. So I'm giving rough diagonal, rough scribbly sort of lines, and not making it very neat. I'm not taking it towards the alphabets because the alphabets are written in black, unlike the original reference where they are written in white. So I left that part, trying to keep it simple out here. And here's our shadow. Now, as this is a Polaroid photograph themed thing, let's scribble something over here, and I'm gonna write the word desserts. Here you can write anything you like. It can also be a message for a friend, or you can convert it into a greeting card and send it to someone. Now this is a chisel tipped calligraphy pen which I'm using at a degree of 45 to write my alphabets.